So I was doing dash speakers on my 2003 Camry. I couldn't find anything online about how to get the harness apart or even just changing these in general. But I popped the side cover off, and then you can shove your arm up in there and pull the speaker down, and then you can take the harness off super easy. So this is the one side of the So there's the one side of the harness right there. This is the bottom side, but this has the little push tab that you have to push down in order to take the harness apart. The other side of the harness has what looks like a push tab, and I kept trying to take it apart. It would not come apart, and then I realized I could just pull this down straight through the dash to take it off. And taking off the little grill cover, super easy. Literally just pops in and out. When it's in there, it's hard to see. When it's in there, you can pop up this side first, just shove a screwdriver or something in the side, and it'll pop up there. And then you just got to shove something kind of in here and pop it up there, and then it pops right out. And then it's just two 10mm bolts. Because here's the old one, old JBL. That's all. This will be covered in like adhesive foam or whatever, so I'm scraping it all off. But this is the side you'll see coming out of the hole, and I was thinking I needed to push down on that or pry it out, but it didn't do nothing. So I got some new ones, come with new caps. Two 2 3/4. And then just Metra harnesses. So all I'm going to do is, normally you would just push these right onto the speaker terminals, but since they come with caps to filter the frequency, you just cut these off and then you splice them together. I'm going to use butt splices, which you should use too. These are weatherproof ones, so they're actually heat shrinkable. So after you crimp them, you can heat them up and then it'll heat shrink around it, keep moisture and whatever from getting in there. But it just makes sure it's secure. Still got to do the other side, but should be pretty easy. So hopefully that helped you. So something else I realized I didn't mention in that video. So you see how these are two different sizes, big one and a little one? Well, these harnesses come with two different size ends on them, a big one and a little one. So you can see that the big one was the white, little one was the black. And you look at this wire, big tab, white stripe, big tab, white stripe. So I'll put the white stripe to what would be the white on this harness. Just make sure you match them up right, otherwise it'll the phase will be backwards if you hook them up backwards.